Hi, we are going to learn today if and AND formula, how basically it's work. So like we have data here, employee ID, here is the name, and here is the sales, or you can say here is the performance of the employee. First sales of the Jan, sales of the Feb, and sales of the March. So we just want to check that the employee are eligible for the incentive or not. So criteria is the sales should be more than or equal to 20,000 for every month, right? Like Jan, Feb, March. So formula would be like this: if and logical one, that means logical one would be Jan sales, so is equal or greater than 20,000, comma. Why 20,000? Because criteria is 20,000. Logical 2, Fave cells equal to or greater than 20,000. Now, comma, logical 3 would be my March cells equal to or greater than 20,000. Now, we'll close the bracket. Now, give a comma. Now, asking for the if true, if value is true. So, if value is true, that means if the criteria is true, so employee should be eligible. Now, comma, asking for value if false. If value is false, so that means employee should not be eligible for the incentive. Double inverted comma, close the bracket. Yes. So just we'll copy there and we'll paste in entire row. Here our data is ready. Now Vicky is not eligible. Why not eligible? Because he did the 15,000 in Jan in term of sales, and he did the 15,000 only in Feb. But our criteria is that 20,000 for every month. So in Feb he is not meeting his target. That's why he is not eligible for the incentive. In the term of Raj, like he did 40,000 in Jan, he did 25,000 in Feb, and he did March 50,000. So that means he is doing more than 20,000 and equal to 20,000 in every month. So that's why he is eligible for the incentive in that way.